This old world of venture capital, it's broken, and everyone in the founder or investor chair feels it. Sitting through endless pitch meetings, dealing with gatekeepers, feeling like a number rather than a person. There's a rage brewing beneath that polite handshake. You're tired of the same story. You build something real, something alive, and then get flattened by a system that rewards who you know, not what you bring. It's a nightmare cycle that kills creativity, kills urgency, and buries the hunger that made you start in the first place. You're not blind to this. The frustration is real, it's heavy, and it's personal. That old guard? They're not built for breakthrough anymore. They want control, titles, deals that pad their status. The system is slow, rigid, and unless you're playing by their rules, you're invisible. That's why decentralized funding isn't just an idea anymore. It's a response to a system that's stalled, stuck, and failing the people who refuse to settle. Stop thinking that VC firms are the only way to get capital. They've had their shot and failed lots of founders and investors alike. Decentralized funding, whether it's via DAOs, tokenized equity, or community-driven capital, flips this script. Think about it. Community, not committees. Real voices instead of smoke-filled rooms where bets are placed on buzzwords and connections, not on grit or vision. The power shifts directly to you, the founder and investor, bypassing middlemen who add zero value but control everything. This is not some wild dream. It's happening now, fast and loud. You want your startup to be powered by people who believe, not by those who need to check boxes or pad spreadsheets. Here's what you do. Don't wait for permission. Find or build a decentralized network that aligns with your ambition. One where you can pitch directly to people who get your world, who want real risk and real reward without the usual blind spots and bureaucracy. Push hard to bring transparency where it's missing. That's a non-negotiable. Demand data, demand accountability, refuse to play in the dark. Use tools that show clear ownership, real-time feedback, and direct impact on your venture. This isn't just funding, it's partnership, fast and brutal in its honesty. Be ruthless about the people you bring on board. If they can't move the needle, drop them. If they don't treat your vision like it's life and death, walk away. Decentralized funding lets you choose collaborators, not gatekeepers. It's not perfect, and it will have hurdles. You'll need more grit than ever to navigate fluid, uncharted territory. Yet, it's the only way out of the endless loops where big VCs crush small dreams while playing it safe. If you're waiting for someone else to make this shift, you're already losing. Take control. Lead in this. Be the founder or investor who rewires the system with every deal and every conversation. Build or join networks where merit rules, not legacy or luck. The old way demands you fit their mold to get in. The new way lets you build the mold. Don't fear decentralization because it's new. Fear sticking to outdated approaches that kill your startup's soul before it even begins. This is your shot to reclaim the narrative, to crowdsource your future capital with people who want to go deep, not just glance and move on. So start now. Find those few who see beyond quarterly reports. Build a lean, fierce network based on trust and relentless execution. Get your hands dirty with real token models or collective funds where every vote counts and every share means something. Push the limits of how much capital you can unlock without giving up your control or soul. Fight for transparency, like your startup's life depends on it, because it does. Refuse to settle for slow, dull, old money games that drain your fire. Decentralized funding could replace or at least reroute conventional VC firms, but only if you take charge. Don't wait for permission. Don't borrow their playbook. Write your own rules. Adapt fast, think bigger, and connect sharper. The system doesn't owe you a favor, and the future belongs to those who build it with their own hands. The old gatekeepers are fading. Step through the new door before it closes on you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.